Hey guys, this is an unboxing of my new Nespresso. I actually got it for a present. Fantastic, I can't believe it. I've always wanted one and yeah, I've got it today, so I thought I'll unbox it for you guys. It comes with a lovely glossy book, tells you what to do, what not to do. Got nice little diagrams. So yeah, it's good. Tells you everything from step 1 to step 10, 11. So yeah, nice book. Comes in a nice box with a lovely picture of it. It's not actually red, mine's all black. But yeah, that's a nice one. But I wanted the black one, so you can get them in red, but the black one's really nice. So yeah, it comes in a nice box. It's got the pictures of all the coffees, all the different sizes, different flavours. What I will show you that as well, so I've got them as well to show you. But there's nice pictures of the coffees. But yeah, picture on the side shows you how to put the coffees into it. Nice little diagrams there. So, should we open? Have a look. You've got that's the little tray, so that fits underneath the coffee machine. It takes all the milk or anything what leaks. Drops down like that. Set this out of the way. Let's get out of the way. So yeah, just open it on the side. Look, it opens nice, just drops down like that. You can see all the machine there. Let's get it out. Let's have a little look. Exciting. Over there. 1 minute. Let's get this all out of the way. Okay guys, there she is. She's beautiful, lovely. So this is the water carton. This is comes off there. You fill this up at the top. Put your water in there. Put it back on. That sits back on there. Clips in. This actually swivels, so you can have it at the front, at the back, or you can have the sides, like that. You can have that side as well. Have it out of the way wherever you want it. This bit comes off. This gets all your cartridges of your coffees. So every time you use it, the machine pushes it at the back and goes into this little box here. Nice. It's a nice, like a black gloss. It's nice. And that fits back underneath there like that. Like that. And push that like that. And then that plugs in there like that. There she is. You get a little tag, just a little warning tag that comes off, pull that off. And then the little tray itself, like I showed you. I've got a little sticker here, a little sticker. Get that off somehow. That's it, like this. Okay. You can put that in put that really low if you want to, if you've got big glasses, or if you get a small coffee mug, a little presser, so that you can put that there like that. It shuts down like that. So yeah guys, it's lovely, lovely black gloss. A lovely logo there, Nespresso, it's really, really nice. So yeah, that's the unboxing guys. So my next video is going to show you how to use it. So yeah, at the moment I'm very, very pleased with it, it's fantastic. So yeah, lovely, love the colour, it's nice. I'm glad I got the black one instead of the red. Yeah, nice. So anyway guys, unboxing of the new Nespresso. Well, I love it, I'm glad I got it. Like I say, next video I'll show you how to use it. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Hi guys, this is another unboxing of my Nespresso. These are all my cartridges I've bought, all the different coffees. Comes in a nice box with the logo, really nice. And inside it, you got some lovely boxes there. I think these boxes are sexy, really, really, really nice. All different flavours. This one's a 230ml, so it's a big. These do the big cups, and then you got this one here. That's another 230. It tells you the strength of it as well. This is a 2 strength. This one is a 7 strength. And it tells you the flavours you got. I've got caramel and cookie. Nice. That's a 230ml as well. Nice. I've got various different flavours of coffees. Like I say, they come into lovely boxes. I love these boxes, they're great. Another different one here. Yeah, so just can't wait to use it. But they come in some lovely boxes, attractive boxes. They come in a lovely, nice box like that. So yeah, it's really, really, really nice. I love it. Anyway, guys, that's the unboxing of all the coffees for my Nespresso. So yeah, can't wait to use it, guys.